My grandma once taught me, if you place the cabbage slices into boiling water and let them cook for 15 minutes, that softens the leaves and takes away any bitterness. Then chop the boiled cabbage finely so every bite feels smooth and balanced. Next, peel 2 onions, chop them finely, and saute them in a pan with vegetable oil. As they turn glossy and fragrant, grate 2 carrots and add them in for natural sweetness. Then grate a zucchini straight into the pan. Season with salt and black pepper so the flavors wake up. Now combine those sautéed vegetables with the cabbage in a bowl. Add flour to bind, grated cheese for richness, crushed garlic for aroma, and break in 2 eggs. Season again with salt, black pepper, and oregano. Mix until it becomes thick and slightly sticky. Now grease hands with olive oil. Shape the mixture into round croquettes and fry them in hot vegetable oil for 4 minutes per side until golden and crisp. And since learning this, I never make cabbage any other way.